Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can download the Golf Clash application on your smartphone. To download the Golf Clash app on your smartphone is super easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open up your App Store or your Google Play Store. In the search box, type in Golf Clash and search. Look for this Golf Clash golfing simulator game from EA. Now tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device and wait until it gets downloaded and installed. You may need to authenticate with your Apple ID, Face ID or your Touch ID, and once it is done, tap on Open to launch the game and start playing. Golf Clash is a BAFTA-winning, free-to-play online multiplayer golf game that offers real-time one versus one matches, solo play, realistic golf courses, club and ball customization, seasonal leagues and events. So that's how you easily install Golf Clash on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.